Hello YouTube, if I'm in shot, hopefully I am. Today we're going to do a vehicle check. And we're going to do this in 4K as well. So I don't know if I edit it in 4K, but we'll see. Bit of experiment to see if 4K works good. So let's get cracking. So I've got you on my gimbal, so we'll turn around. Starts our day. I've already done a vehicle check for today, so I know we're all good. But first of all, we'll angle you down. I'll turn the lights off so you can see the display. We check that the fuel gauge, which is down here, is good. Your AdBlue, temperature's warm because you've been driving already. And we would normally go into here, startup checks, which will give you the AdBlue, your brake wear, and maintenance in, but that's... And you can check any warnings. There's no active warnings, which is all good. Okay, we'll get off that now, and we're going to go outside the truck now. We are in a small lay-by, so bear in mind safety at all times. Always look out, see what traffic's coming. Turn your lights on, hazards on before we get out. And pull your bonnet release. What we do, we step back, check that our top marker lights are working fine, our left and right lights are working fine, our indicators are working fine, and our lower fog lights are working fine. And that sometimes does happen. You pull it. And yes, we got enough time. Sorry about this, guys. Quickly. Walk back. And open up your bonnet. Not going to open it up at the moment, but you check your coolant, because it's hot. And here it's hot. We'll check our oil, which is here. I'm not going to do it now, so we'll probably get a false reading at the moment. And you just check the general area for any leaks, spills, you know, anything excessive. So a bit like this, which I have made note, that's a prior thing that's happened on the radiator. And yeah, nothing much underneath there. Walk around to the right. On the scanner down here is you got your bottle height thing. It's not very clear for your screen wash, and that's where you top up your screen wash. I'll demonstrate on this wheel here of what we're looking at on wheels. We'll check your wheel nuts. I don't visibly have any sign that they've been moving, e.g. they're all nice and tight. You're not missing any. Want to check the sidewalls all good, there's no bulges, bits out of it missing. You want to check the tread going around. There you got plenty of tread. You want to check that all your side panels are secure. Important yet, your fuel lid is on, it hasn't been tampered with. Your connections to your trailer, side lights again. Repeat again on every wheel. I'm not going to go for every wheel. Lights again. Make sure your legs are raised. I'm going around it slightly the wrong way just because it is a bit dangerous on the other side. The other way to check tyres, I would want to show you, is give them a good old kick as well. You know. We are fully loaded at the moment, so that's why all our wheels are down. If you're empty, they should be up, especially if you're running the engine. Once on the tanker, check that all your caps on, your valves are all shut, all your cages are secure, so e.g. the doors aren't open or loose, and vice versa on the other side. If you've been on the truck over the night, check your number plate's still there, no one's nicked it. Check your indicators, your marker lights. Ideally you check your brake lights. I'll do it on the key fob, but you get the point. I think you get the point. And so this is only a brief video. The other important thing to check, I'm not going to walk around there because as you can probably tell, it is really dangerous at the moment. I don't want to be filming and get caught out by a car. Is you check your clip. Actually, see if we can angle you the right way. Your clip on your fifth wheel. Make sure that has not been tampered with. Also another one, I forgot. Check security of your mud flaps as well. Because you never know, these clips can fail. You don't want those flinging off at everybody. And obviously make sure your windows all clean. You know, mirrors are clean, all operational. Just basically, just make sure your truck is functional and all good. There's nothing that's going to fall off it, cause anybody harm, cause you harm, or put you in danger. So, hopefully, you have enjoyed this. Hopefully I'll get you in shot. There we go. I know it's a bit sunny, so hopefully you've enjoyed this. I know it's been brief, but if you like what you like, please subscribe. Also comment down below. If I've missed anything, please comment down below. I probably have. I said this is only a brief overview of a first vehicle check in the morning. It's very quick because I've already done it already. I want to highlight before somebody says, oh, you haven't checked every single tyre, you haven't checked every single light. It's more to demonstrate. You know, it's not the full demonstration that you check every single. It's just to give you a glimpse at what you have to do in the mornings. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Over and out.